So in this Realtor.com tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view virtual tours only, or I guess virtual tours only listings here on the Realtor.com mobile application. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Realtor.com app. Once that is done, go to the top left after you find an area and select on the filters button in the top left right here. Once you're on the filters page, simply just scroll down a little bit until you come across the option on here. This is virtual tours only. And by having this selected, which it is currently not, if I were to go ahead and select this right here, it'll actually highlight green. Now all the listings that we'll be showing will actually offer you virtual house tours that you can view here on the application. So once it is done, go to the bottom right and press on see homes right here. And there you go. Now your search will be refined to houses that are only offering, or I guess offering as well, virtual tours through the application. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to view virtual tours only here on the Realtor.com mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and hope this video helps.